In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable TeamViewer notification when connected. If you're tired of pop-ups or sounds interrupting your workflow during remote sessions, this walkthrough will show you how to quiet those alerts safely and cleanly. Just a quick note before we begin. Turning off notifications can make sessions feel smoother, but it also means you won't be alerted when someone connects or when certain events occur. Only change these settings on devices you own or manage, and keep your organization's policies in mind. Start by opening the TeamViewer application on your computer. Make sure you're in the full desktop app rather than a lightweight client or browser tab, because we need access to the full settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon or the word Settings. Click that to open the main preferences window. Inside the settings, find the area labeled Advanced or Advanced Settings. Depending on your version, you might see a simple advanced heading first. Click on Advanced to navigate into that section. You'll likely notice an option that says Open Advanced Settings, which expands additional controls that aren't visible by default. Go ahead and click Open Advanced Settings so all the detailed options are revealed. Next, switch to the Account section within these advanced settings. In some versions, this appears in a sidebar, and in others, it's a tab within the Advanced panel. Once you're in Account, look for the notification options. You should see several checkboxes that start with phrases like Notify Me. These control whether TeamViewer shows banners, toasts, or sounds when common events occur, such as a connection starting or ending. To disable the notifications, uncheck all the items that say Notify Me. Take a moment to scroll if needed and make sure you've cleared each one related to connection or session alerts. This will remove the interruptions when you're connected while still keeping your core remote control functionality intact. If there are any notifications you still want to receive, feel free to leave those specific boxes checked. When you're finished, click OK to confirm and close the settings window. Your changes are saved immediately, so the next time a session starts, you shouldn't see those connection notifications. If you ever want them back, just return to the same place and recheck the boxes. And if you don't see these options, make sure your TeamViewer app is up to date, or check whether a manage policy controls your settings. That's it. Your connection notifications are now turned off.